Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there will be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, and please be properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, Sienna Kivitz, it looks like, let's see, who's the person that I have? Lampkin is there? Lurk.
Yes.
Let's go. We need an officer for him. Mr. Goss, are you there? It's probably. All right. Now. Now, what I will say is, let's get an offer for Mr. Lurk, which is probably, I don't know if you're gonna give him on a delayed or. I don't know what you're gonna do with that. Good morning.
Good morning.
And let's get an offer for him. But I'm gonna say this, sir. Generally, on these type of offenses, I order drug treatment. and
Okay.
send The drug treatment court. And I still don't know whether I should do that with you or not. What's your first name?
Nicholas.
Nicholas. Mr. Barry, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Nicholas Scott Lurk, case number U59751321. Appearance for the record, please.
L.S. Barry Jr., P 28880, on behalf of Mr. Lurk.
All right. Mr. Lurk, can you state your name for the record, please?
Nicholas Lurk.
All right. So, I don't, you heard our conversation off the record, Mr. Lurk and Mr. Barry, did you not? Mr. Lurk indicated that what I'm gonna infer that he didn't state this directly, but he indicated what I can infer is that he did have a problem with drugs. And that, hold on, you can wait a second. You put your appearance on the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Dr. Goss, P60162, on behalf of the city of Detroit. Welcome back, Earl.
All right, thank you. Great to be back. He indicated to the court that he did have an issue with drugs, and let me say this first, Mr. Lurk. Let me applaud you for that.
Okay.
And the reason why I say that is because we all have difficulties in life, and it's the people that overcome those are the people that are willing to admit their problems.
Yes.
I try to keep real with myself whenever I have a problem, but especially when you're facing a problem like this, the first part about overcoming that hurdle is admitting that you have a problem, and it appears that you've come to reckoning with yourself and are able to admit that, and that's the first step. So I applaud you for that. Now, my interest is that whatever I can do to help you and not going back down that road again is what my interest is at this point. I think what everybody's interest is, really.
Yeah, I just started a new job, and I've been working full time.
Okay, all right. So I have an offer here that's a 12-month delayed sentence, and what that means is that it has a substance abuse program. Go ahead.
Your Honor, since he is already in the program, I just want him to continue that program that he's already in.
And he's, from my understanding, and you can further enlighten me, or I can let you speak with Mr. Barry in a breakout room before you discuss this on the record. From my understanding, he was in a program that he successfully completed. And he
Yeah, I'm
completed
clean in a methadone clinic. And I go to counseling once a month.
Yes, but we'll continue that.
All right. Now, you indicated to the court that you've been clean for 6 to 8 months. And
Yeah, I
see-
haven't been on anything besides
Hold on.
methadone.
Hold on a second, sir. Hold on a second, sir. I see that this ticket happened in May, or the allegation was made in May. So based
Yeah,
on that, it's probably about 8 months. So, listen, I believe you. The only thing is I don't like supervising, as counselor knows, I don't like supervising these cases. I don't like probation. I don't like those things, and the city attorney wants you to do 12-month delayed sentence.
can I just pay a fine?
Well, you're gonna pay a fine if you take the deal. The only way you're not gonna pay a fine is if you beat the case and go to trial. And
Yeah.
I can let Mr. Berry, I can let you speak with the lawyer about whether you should go to trial or take the deal. Matter of fact, let me put you in a breakout room to speak with your lawyer. Let's start with that first.
I'll be willing to do 6 months, but as long as you still do the once a month counseling, I'm fine with once a month counseling. I just
Thank
want,
you.
know, something.
You know how I am about that, though. We'll probably end up doing that. All right, let me let you speak with Mr. Berry in a breakout room, just so you can have a person. Mr. Berry was one of the best attorneys here, and you can have an opportunity to speak with him, and he can help you make an informed decision. All right.
Okay.
All right.
You can have 1 or 2.
No, I'm okay. I really leave this to, and then we're off the record now, Ms. Williams Law. I really leave this to the drug treatment. You know what I'm saying? That's sometimes I only see that he has one drug. That's all I see. So people can let them go before, and we just read it in fire. But we'll see.
I'm okay with that too, because from this, what he's saying.
Yeah, so we'll see. And I just don't get me wrong, we're on the same page with that. But as far as just supervising that stuff, man, you know, these drugs, those drugs, you'll be back and forth all day with that. All right, Miss Gibbons, good morning to you. Let's see, we need offers.
More offers?
Yes. We need offers.
I don't know offers just where they come from.
I don't know.
Where these numbers coming from?
All me and Miss Nash do is pull the files, right, Miss Nash? That's all we do.
But did I write for these?
I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, sometimes you get them, but
Let's see if there's any more that Ms. Gibbons has. Look it up. How are you today, Ms. Gibbons?
I'm okay, and
Yeah,
you?
yeah, unmute yourself, ma'am.
I'm unmuted.
All right, so we have more here, Counselor. Let me get you a we have more from Ms. Gibbons, so don't write that one yet. Two unregistered, unsigned, 2 no insurance, and 2 driver's license. So just probably pretty much doing the same.
oh no, I'm sorry. They hit me over there talking to me. Oh, I apologize. Yeah, I was trying to get on here.
No,
To let you know I'm still here.
All right, on that iPhone, good morning, sir. How are you? The gentleman has that iPhone. Ms. Gibbons, where are you at with your driver's license? Are you trying to get a license?
Yes, I'm trying to get my license. I don't have them at the moment. I had paid my tickets off 2020, but I turned around 2021 and got a few more tickets. And
Now, what
I'm
about in
starting
any
back
other
over.
jurisdictions? Are you getting any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No,
Just Detroit is the only thing you have to clear up?
yes.
You want to come back with a driver's license, ma'am? And we deal with this?
I can't get a driver's license until I pay my tickets. That's what Secretary of State said.
We're not gonna leave, you won't leave here without knowing what you have to do to get a driver's license, if this is all you have.
Okay, okay.
You wanna do that?
So I just go to Secretary of State and get my driver's license. That's all.
Hold on. I don't see why you shouldn't be able to go to the Secretary of State and get a license.
They was saying that I had these tickets, and I told them I paid my last tickets, but these tickets they said is stopping me from being able to get them. Or I don't know.
Doesn't have any reinstatement fee on these tickets.
Wow.
Okay, so just
2 out of 6. And look at the other guy. I did.
All right.
I can do that. I can call down there and get that together now if I don't have to. Yes.
Okay, what are you gonna do when she comes back with a driver's license? Well, we'll figure that out then. I'll leave this off.
If she come back, it's gonna be the same. amount of
Same
money.
thing.
It's gonna be, but it'll be just 2 improper plates.
All right, so you want.
I
all
no
right.
longer have that vehicle anymore.
No, I understand that. I understand that. Sometimes me and my city attorney, we have such all these spirited arguments about things. And I can't argue with him about this one here. He's like I say, he's giving you the Cadillac of the deal, I think. But Mr. Berry, I'll give you an opportunity to speak on that, of course. But here, let's go back on the record. Are you done talking, Mr. Lord?
Yes.
Let me bring him back in the room. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Nicholas Lord. All right, Mr. Lord, you've had a opportunity to speak with the defense counsel in the breakout room.
Yes.
And counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lord would avail himself of the prosecutor's offer to enter a guilty plea based on a 6-month delayed sentence.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dismiss the ticket upon payment of the $240, okay? That's gonna be your fine if you wanna take it. And I'm sure you're gonna take it because you were gonna take the 6 months. So it's gonna work out a little bit better for you. But I'm gonna tell you this, sir, if you come back down here with anything like this again, you're not getting a deal out of this court. You understand
Okay.
that?
Yes, sir.
So, and trust and believe, you can ask your lawyer. He knows, I'm watching everything that comes by through my court. And I just easily type in your name and I'll see. You have another one of these instances, and we're just talking about these drugs. You come down here, I understand if you get a speeding ticket and all that kind of stuff, I understand that. But if you come down here with these drugs again, you're not gonna get a deal. You're either gonna have to take go to drug treatment, or go to trial. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. Excuse me, sir, with the iPhone.
Yes, sir.
You gotta put some clothes on.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm sorry, sir. I gotta put my top on. Sorry.
Yeah, you gotta, don't come in here like that.
I'm sorry, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Not the other right. Do you swear, not you, Miss Gibby? You already gonna tell on yourself? Can you raise your hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that, that the maximum possible penalties for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, sir.
You understand, sir, that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention. Where is this file? What did I do with it? Here it is. I got it. Let me draw your attention back to May the 26th, 2021 at around 10 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 2251 James Cousin Street, sir. On that date and time, did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit police?
Yes, I did.
And on that date and time, sir, were you in a vehicle, in a motor vehicle at the time?
Yes, I was. I was sleeping and waiting for gas.
Is that all you were doing, sir?
No, I was out of gas and I was sleeping in the car and then they pulled up and they found a tire gauge on me.
A what?
A tire gauge?
A makeshift crack pipe, Your Honor.
Oh, that's what it is? They use tire gauges now?
Very creative.
Oh, shoot. So, okay, and with this tire gauge, just so in other words, this tire gauge was not used for gauging the pressure of the tires on your car, was it?
No, sir.
And what was this tire gauge used for?
I was smoking crack with it.
You were smoking crack with it, right?
Yes, sir.
And so you weren't just sleeping.
Well, I did fall asleep while I was waiting for gas.
Because you were high, right?
Yeah.
All right. Are you satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied as well, sir. I'm gonna, like I say, first of all, like again, I'm gonna applaud you for coming to grips with this and facing this head on. I'm gonna applaud you for your being upfront about this, sir. I'm gonna find you guilty as charged. I'm gonna fine you $240. I told you I'd dismiss upon payment of the $240. But I also told you this is a one-time deal.
Okay.
You'll have next time you'll have some jail time that you'll be looking at if you're found guilty or if you take a plea in this matter, because I'm going over and above for you, and I don't just do it for you. I see you don't have any other of these charges like this.
Hey.
But that's what we're gonna do, okay?
Okay.
All right, so dismiss upon payment. When can you pay, sir?
Today.
All right, pay by, and you're not anywhere near the city, are you?
No, I could do it. Can I pay over the phone?
I don't know if you can pay. I hope if you can pay over the phone, I would do that. But the best way I know how to pay is either coming down to the courthouse or paying at any DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit. So if you're gonna pay, he can't pay over the phone.
I think they have a DivDav app they can download as well.
Oh, it's a DivDav app you can download as well. So the DivDav in person seem, in our experience, to go through immediately. That online payment, it doesn't seem to work or not necessarily work. It just seems to take awful long time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this for a review for March 4th. 2022. I'm gonna give you a week to have that taken care of.
Okay, thanks.
If you've taken care of that payment, I don't need to see you on March the 4th at 8:25 a.m. However, if you have not taken care of that payment, I need to see you, sir.
Okay,
All right, if it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day.
you too, thanks.
All right, thank you.
Oh, hey,
All right.
sir.
Yes,
Do you have a number that I can call to pay that?
I can provide him the number, Your Honor.
okay, very well.
It's 855-798,
798?
correct, 1547.
Thank you.
Let me see that. 855-798.
1547.
1547.
Yes, sir.
That's not an easily remembered number there, is it?
No.
What happened to the 1500 or something like that? But there we go. I learned something today myself. Thank you, Mr. Berry. All right, Mr. Lurk, have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right.
Your Honor, can I get a breakout room with Lieutenant Cole?
So, good morning, Lieutenant Cole.
Good morning, sir.
All right, you can join that room, speak with the city attorney.
Thank you. Good morning.
Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Sienna Gibbons, case number SP 1187205, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 194387, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearances for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gibbons. State your full name, Ms. Gibbons.
Tiana Gibbons.
Sienna,
Tiana Gibbons.
I was saying that wrong then, huh? Why
A
didn't you
little
correct?
It's a little bit. Some people say Sienna, and it's pronounced Tiana.
That's what I want to know. I want to get it right. I don't want to mess up your name. Everybody looks at my name, calls me Scene. I'm like, you see this name all your life. I know it may be spelled like that, but they don't know. Even teachers used to call me Scene. I'm like, so I'm gonna try to get it right, Sienna.
Yeah,
Gibbons.
you do better than the teachers though, because they say Sierra, and I don't know where they get the R from.
I don't either. They might not need to be teachers, huh? Who's this young man in my court here?
Everybody on? All right. No. Well, let me get on to tell them you're coming on. And you guys can't talk. You can say good morning. Hi, Mr. Perkins. Don't type anything in there. I'm sorry, type my what's you talk? That'll be the last time you'll be taking a picture.
No, you can't see my face.
All right. We have here.
How do you wait, what's up? Hi. Hi, William. William, where are Devontae, stop. Yeah, Carter, you stop. Tinky Winky Boo, bye.
Not on mute. You gotta mute. I'm muted. You work out.
Your Honor, if you need to be speaking to us, you're on mute.